What is up, guys? The official AN here, about to do an unboxing and install of the LED Tough Pods RGB on my 2021 GMC Sierra. Please like and subscribe. Thanks. Got them all hooked up here. Fairly bright. We'll see how they look when they get under the truck. Got the lights here. Got red, orange, purple, green, teal color, a green color, dark blue, yellow, the bright white. Can change the brightness, have them flash all kinds of colors. 45 bucks at Walmart. Alpina LED. Getting all the wires lined up before we get it all fastened down. Hopefully the wires are long enough to reach the rear. We'll find out. Alright, now I'm to the point where I gotta extend some of the wires. So we're gonna do that right now in order to be able to reach from the Alpina LED controller to the battery. See what I'm doing here in just a moment. Snip off this excess. Okay, now that that's done, you'll see what I'm doing here in just a moment. And there you have it, a nice clean wire to work with. Keeps it clean underneath the truck. And then now, all we gotta do, pull, and then come over here, grab some electrical tape so it doesn't come unwound. Okay, and then as you see, it's already getting tangled up, so we're gonna unwind that real quick. See, it makes it a nice clean wire to run underneath the frame. And again, this is what I'm going to be using to extend from the controller to the battery, because I needed a little extra. Okay, now that we have that there, this is going to be the end that hooks up to the battery. So I'm going to leave a little access there. And then again, there you have it. Got a nice spun together set of wires, so you don't have a bunch of wires hanging down underneath the truck. Alright, gonna hop under and get this all hooked up. Look, got it all wired up here. Got lights right there, so wiring's all hooked up the right way. Just gotta get it all put on. Got them all right there. It's coming out pretty good, I think. Let me know in the comments below what you think about this video. Then I actually have two sets of rock lights under there. Those are the LED Innovation, and these are the Alpina LED ones that I just installed today. Show you the front. Same deal right there. So here we are for the full review. That is white, red, orange, purple, blue, teal, green, another blue, yellow, white, and then flash mode. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. Catch you on the next one.